What's going on YouTube? 603 Mechanic Vids back with another how-to video. Today we're going to do a quick video on changing the fog light bulb on this 2018 Jeep Renegade. It's pretty easy bulb to change. You're just going to want to jump in your vehicle and turn your tire out so you can get to this little door here. And you're going to have to take these two plastic screws out, and you can use a Phillips screwdriver for that. Before we get started on this job, I just want to take a minute and say thank you to all my subscribers and all my viewers. You guys are definitely helping me grow this channel. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. Alright, so once you get your cover off, if you look inside the hole, you'll see right here, that's your fog light and your bulb. All you do is grab onto the bulb and turn it to the left. And it should pop right out. Now to unplug your bulb from the plug, you got this little tab right here. He's going to lift that up and pull the bulb out. And the bulbs in these Jeep Renegade fog lights are h11. You can pick them up at your local part store, Walmart, pretty much anywhere that sells bulbs. And then you just repeat the process to put it back in. Make sure you get your connector going the right way. Make sure the little tab locks back down. Bring your bulb in. Get it inserted correctly. And all you're going to do is turn it to the right, or clockwise. And that is all. It's that simple to change your fog light bulbs. On the other side, it's the exact same thing. And just put your cover back on. Push those back in place. And then tighten your two screws up. And that finishes this job.